Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get energy in Temu Hat Trick. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now it's pretty much just a list, and I can't really just show you specifically on what to do, but I can tell you that all you have to do in order to get more energy is to log in daily, complete in-game missions and challenges. You can watch ads to earn extra energy. You can refer to friends as well, so go ahead and share it to your friends. You can use promo codes for social media or events. You can purchase energy packs from the in-game store, participate in special events. You can purchase energy packs from the in-game store, participate in special events for free energy. You can also let your energy regenerate over time, of course, in Temu Hat Trick, and stay active in the community for updates and tips. So, unfortunately, the game is not really available in my region, but those are the things you can do to get more energy in Temu Hat Trick. So that's basically how you can get energy in Temu Hat Trick. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.